are at another Walmart, you guys, and look at this. We found the light pink, the purple, and the green. And I might just get a couple sets. These are great, you guys. They're only 50 cents. There's the name. And I'm going to show you the UPC for the mint green ones. Okay, I guess this is the UPC. Where's the UPC on this? Is it underneath this tag right here?
Yeah.
All right, it's underneath this tag, you guys. All right, so the UPC was underneath the sticker right here. So we took off the 50-cent sticker just so we can show you the UPC. This is what you guys are going to want to look out for. Again, these are stackable, so they're really cute. They're only 50 cents, so they have the mint green. We also have the purple, which I have in my cart. The other store, I only found 2 blue, so I think I'm going to get 2 of each of the colors. So that's the UPC for the purple. These are really cute, you guys. There's the blue one again, and then they have like this pink one, which is cute. I mean, you guys can have your kids put their pencils, pens, whatever, cars. The pink one, the UPC right here. And again, these are only 50 cents, and they got quite a few. Again, they have the mint green, purple, blue, and the pink. All right, we found some more Pioneer Woman, you guys. Look at this. I think this is like an outdoor pillow that you put on a bench outside. I'm gonna show you guys the tags. Let's see. It's super cute, you guys. Yeah, this is a cheer pad. So it's a denim cheer pad, and it's reversible. It's a 16-inch by 16-inch. And let me show you the UPC. You guys, it's super soft too. There's the UPC. And again, it's reversible, you guys. So you got the cream and the red polka dots on one side, and it's super soft. And then you got the denim on this side. All right, we are at our next Walmart, and can you believe we're still finding Pioneer Woman.
And different things at that.
Different things, you guys. Only on Angel on the Go. We tell you first. This is a little section that we found, and they have about 2 to 3 different Pioneer sections. But we decided just to scan. It's not going to kill us, so we decided to scan these. All of these are regular price. That one's regular price, and this down here is regular price. But these are on clearance, you guys. Let's see. This is the Pioneer Woman. It's the floral mini clamp jar set. Look at how pretty that is. It comes with 3 pieces. Do you have any idea what this is used for? You don't know?
I guess you can put like sugar, flowers.
Okay.
Oh, there you go, right there. You put sprinkles, you put spaghetti.
Okay. All right. So you guys can put anything in here. They're super cute. And I'm going to show you the tops. Okay, because they got a couple different ones. So first we got this one. And again, it comes with the 3 pieces. All right. And then this is the top. So you guys can see the 3 top colors. You got that one, this one, and this one. All right, so let me show you the back. Look how pretty that is. I don't know what I'll put in here, but it just looks pretty. There it goes. And I'm going to show you the UPC of the one with those colors. There's the UPC. Okay, so we're going to scan these for you to let you know how much these are coming up. Ready? All right, these are coming up only $5, and it says here the Pioneer Woman floral, is that medley 3-pack spice? Oh, the spice jars. Okay, all right, that makes sense, you guys. So it's coming up only $5, you guys. $5 for this set. These would be great for Christmas. Let me show you the UPC one more time. All right, so they have all these, and again, the next time you guys are at Walmart, make sure you look out for these mini clamp jar sets. They're only $5, you guys. Good luck. All right, you guys, we're at yet another Walmart, and we're still finding Pioneer Woman. I cannot believe this, you guys. This is the Timeless Beauty Salt and Pepper Shaker set. Look at the color. It's green. It comes with the 2 pieces. That's what it looks like. There you guys go. I'm gonna show you the UPC. There you guys go. So it says Timeless Beauty Jade Salt and Pepper Shaker Set. And look at this, you guys. It was $6.88. Now it's $4.45. They have quite a few, but look at the colors, you guys. I'm picking it up and it's really heavy. That's a nice one. I might get this for myself. They have quite a few back here. And we are in the clearance section. But again, we're still finding Pioneer Woman. And good luck, you guys. I am now at my car. The music in this Walmart was way too loud. And I wanted to show you guys this. We had no clue it was on sale. We just started scanning in the store. This is the Pioneer Woman. And this is a 2-piece. So you guys can see the 2 pieces. And it's berry colander. I didn't know what this was, but I think you put your fruit in here. You rinse off your fruit, you put it in here, and it has holes at the bottom, so the excess water goes on the plate. Let me know whether or not this is right, but we Googled it, and we think that's what it's for. So again, here's the information. And it comes with 2 pieces. And let me show you the UPC. There's a UPC. And I cannot believe for a 3rd or 4th day in a row, we're still finding Pioneer Woman items. All right, so this is what it looks like from the side. So you guys can see the holes right here. You guys can see what it looks like. You guys can see the pattern. And then it has the plate right here on the top. All right, let me show you one more time. This is only scanning up, you guys, $3.25. $3.25. So if you guys plan on going to your local Walmart anytime soon, which you guys should be running for this deal, check for this pattern right here. I think they had about 3 or 4 different patterns, but you guys need to look for this one. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to show the UPC one more time. Good luck, and let us know below if you guys score.